Sarah, hey, you, I don't ever believe say you get bad heart for me. You dey jealous me because better pass you.
Jealous to that. Alice, wait till you get so I dey jealous. Alice, look me fine. I dey live fine pass you in this house. I dey enjoy, I dey live good life. Now that badass day, I can grab by you so. Today you not able to keep the badass. You can't show me the badass.
You dey live good life pass me.
What the good life? You dey see am. Don't touch me. Why you come out? Why you come out? Don't touch me. Hey, I wanna left me and arrest this lady. This lady get badass.
Sister, calm down.
This fet Allah, you know go solve problem. Do ya? You know we talk softly and try to understand we say.
You see this Sarah Lydia? Where something happen at this house? You no go call me and tell me. Instead I go here and a neighbor house.
Okay.
Not true. You see Alice? Anything why you're in at this compound. Now enforce I dey advise her. But Alice not dey listen. You know they take advice.
You see, peace, not a sign of weakness, not strength. So do ya? You know they try for settle collaborate, serve food, and try for build better community.
Plaba, na thing wey natural. But how we dey settle now? Na im dey determine the outcome. May we left plaba and fet. More try for understand. We feelings them and also we dey comot. That go help we for settle am full.
Sister, now to what you talk. I for dey make time for listening to Sarah. But I just focus on my problem there. I forget say Sarah self gets feeling.
Now this we want. For make peace reign among you.
Yes.
Make we left plaba. More calm as one.
Do ya?
Do you have some peace go in? Me na beg at the big.
You see Alice? Now my sister at this compound.
We're not gonna make plaba again.
Do ya? No more palava, yeah?